feelings of any time. So now, she brought the people together for the flower and bloom. And the rainbow represents for the unity. A pleasant afternoon, everyone. I am Shay Nagbarong from Grade 10, Section B.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mike Charles Paligar and I'm from 10B. The character I was portraying is Tungtunglangi, a popular deity of the people of ancient Panay. Their version of all-powerful creators that brings the world out of primordial chaos.
Good day, everyone. My name is Cecilia Angela P. Lopez from Section B. I'm portraying Pocahontas, a human deeply connected to the natural world. She understood the delicate balance of all life. Using her courage and kindness, she can communicate to all living things. That's all. Thank you.
Good day, everyone. My name is Jewel Michem Domingo from Section B. I'm portraying Persephone. In Greek mythology, Persephone is a queen of underworld, and she's the daughter of Zeus and Demeter.
Magindara from Bicolano mythology. Magindara is a sea spirit and trivial hunter of adult human. They portrays as with colorful gems like scales, and they can lure fishermen that under there and assist. And once again, my name is Miel Natalie F. Pangilinan.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jai Shopula from Ten. The goddess of Poseidon, god of the sea. Radhika, thank you.
Listen closer, as I am the Queen of Hearts. I will not stand outside while the world crumbles. The land, the sea, the forest, they are all ours to protect. I decree that we must act swiftly to preserve the beauty of our planet. Don't question my authority. Don't question my authority in preserving what is ours. The time to act is now. Save our planet or face my wrath.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Miguel Gongon from grade 10.
35% battery. You need to charge your iPhone 15 now.
The giver of life. As the supreme God of Tagalog, I call upon you to restore balance. Honor the world I created, for its future is also yours. Thank you.
Good day, everyone. My name is Janica Aurelia Isong. I am Aurora from Sleeping Beauty. I believe that we can make a better future and a beautiful future. Thank you.
Like the golden rays of dawn, break the darkness. I rise before you, Dinky Shabi Procopio from the Gradient and Resilient Grade 10 Section B. A bright and wonderful morning to all. As the golden rays of dawn break the darkness, I rise. I am Josang Aluncina, goddess of morning, sky, and sun. Honored by the Hiligaynon and Cebuano people of the Philippines. From the Hinilawan epic, I bring light and warmth. I bring light and warmth to nurture the land and restore balance. Through my warmth, I inspire you to protect our nature, reduce waste and live in harmony with the world. Together, let us walk together with the light I bring, and let us walk together with the light I bring, and let us walk together with the light I bring, and together let's shine brighter to create a better future. Thank you.
Good day, everyone. I am Kylie Jerica B. Bautista from Tenby, representing Cassiopeia, the Queen of Utopia. Let us protect our future from our bright future, everyone. Again, I am Kylie Jerica B. Bautista, representing Cassiopeia.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am glad to be here representing the goddess of love and beauty, the only one, Aphrodite. The beauty of nature is not a sight to behold, but a reflection of our own inner self beauty. The blooms of flower, the trees that sway, and the creatures that grow, all embody the love and care that we must show to our planet. As the goddess of love and beauty, Aphrodite's abilities are focused on influencing the emotions and desires of others, as well as protecting and promoting the values of love, beauty, and fashion. I am Rich Cassandra L. Ambalan, and I am from Grade 10 Section B. Thank you. Section D. Being a Filipino is not about it. Being a Filipino is just not about pride. It's about responsibility. I stand here because I stand before you as I stand here before you with a smile, with a warm in my smile, and hope in my heart. Thank you.
Underwater Kingdom in I am the defender of the Underwater Kingdom in Atlantis, Aquaman. I will fight the ocean threats such as pollution and overfishing. Thank you.
Greetings, everyone. I'm Moana, daughter of Mountain. My strong relationship to the sea is I restore to balance the nature and protect our islands from destruction. Again, I'm Izimiya Vicente from Tenby, portraying Moana.
Good day, everyone. I'm Rachel P. Sumabat from Grade 10, Section B, portraying Gaia, the guardian of Earth. Using my ancient powers, I can heal the land, cleanse the waters, and restore nature's balance for living beings. I nurture the growth for plants, enrich the soils, and inspire renewal in every corner of the world. My presence brings hope, vitality, encouraging mankind to cherish and protect our precious home. Let's roll up our sleeves and make a real difference. Once again, I am Gaia, and together we can keep our planet thriving.
From Grade 10, Section B, and I am portraying Psychic Kusuo. Using my psychic abilities, I can make the environment better. Thank you.
Where's my train? Oh, I'm just a white Pokemon. Well, anyway, I am Joshua Desalisa of Grade 10, Section B. And I am presenting Mega Charizard X, modified as Samurai. Mega Charizard X is known for its fire-based abilities. This could help the environment by absorbing wildfires to maintain the safety of our beloved planet. Once again, I am Joshua Desalisa of Grade 10 Section B, presenting Mega Charizard X.
Good day, everyone. My name is Denville Enzoel Tocon, and I proudly introduce my character, the Spider Samurai. Crafted entirely from cardboard, and with the power that I possess, I can manipulate waste to transform it or turn it into something useful, beautiful materials that we can use in eco-friendly events. Sorry. with eco-friendly events. As we fight for our environmental health, we should team up to make our world greener and brighter. And remember that with great power comes great responsibilities. And it's not the mask that makes the hero. It's person underneath the mask that makes us the hero. And once again, I am Denville Enzo Tomon from Grade 10 Section B, and I thank you.
DTKB. Afternoon everyone. My name is John Paul G. Salmon from 10B and I'm portraying is Poseidon, God of the Sea and God of the Storms. Ang misyon ko po ay protektahan ng ating karagatan at syempre ingatan natin yung mga hayop sa karagatan. At ayun, once again, my name is Poseidon, God of the Sea and Storms.
Good day everyone, my name is Gerald Lemonares and I'm representing by Thor. So, sa ginawa kong gitawa na masasabi ko na dapat lang natin protektahan ng mga tao dahil tayo ang superhero dito kasi ito ang aking pangyarihan. Kung magkakaroon ako ng ganitong pangyarihan, ito ang mga taong aking niligtas at kayo yun. Maraming salamat.
Good day. I am Jonas Reyes Mulanadi from Grade 10 Section B. All of you sudden, behold, it's about to get serious. I am Atreus, the Greek god of the war. Using my powers, I can protect and defend our environment and fight against those who will harm our planet. I will fight till my last breath, and that is a promise. Thank you.
From 10B, presenting Toothless, and I, roar!
Greetings everyone! I am Maria Johanna Angelica Alfregay from Grade 10 Section B. But today, I am here as Cruella. Like my name, I'm born brilliant, I'm born bad, I'm born beautiful with a little bit mad. Thank you.
Uzumaki Naruto from Konoha Gakure and Hidden Leaf Village.